Just this simple example that I, just shared with you at the beginning. You see that even through our body, there is some type of energy. We are growing and higher. So you tell me, you're the expert, okay? Do you see my two fingers right now in? Well, okay. So let's take a couple of seconds, right? And I'm inviting anybody who's watching this video right now to do the same thing. It's just something that's part of us, okay? So just a couple of seconds, let's just watch. Okay, I don't know if you notice, you watching this video right now, if you notice, if you don't resist to it, right, the two fingers, and you can try with other fingers, okay, they will all go together again, okay, touching each other, okay. Energy. We'll start this video with the principle of energy. Energy is around us. Energy is everywhere within our body and outside our body. And science is actually able today to even make light bulbs, right, that actually give the same level of energy or light like the sun, right? You can do your own research. Energy. Energy is a part of everything we see even in the universe. We have all these planets hanging. We don't know even how they've been they are able to even float, right, around. We have the solar system, okay? And science is telling us how even the energy coming from the sun actually help and provide also vitamin D, okay, if I'm correct, but there is one vitamin that you may check, right? The energy. And all of us, we know how energy is manifesting in our lives. Just this simple example that I, just shared with you at the beginning. You see that even through our body, there is some type of energy. Energy. Even personally, remember, if this is the first time you watching this video, the first time you're getting on this channel, our main purpose is to equip business owners in life principles and how those principles can be used to grow sustainable and scalable businesses. And my name is Achille Combat. Like you will see the name, come. That's why I don't take time even to introduce myself anymore. And you can do your own research on our organization, wEquipu, on myself, and part of my team. Energy. So energy is, again, part of even who we are as human beings. Remember, if you went all the way to high school, we all learn in high school neurons, right? In biology or in human science, we learn about neurons. Neurons are part of what? The body. And when we have the picture of the neurons, they don't even touch each other, but they do communicate. They do transmit coding, message from one neuron to another one, all the way to the destination. All that is energy. Sometimes you get even a small cut without even treating the cut. You will see healing even happen from that. We all once in our lifetime had those kind of experiences or have had those kind of situation, right? You will see your skin will get back, right? And as a reminder, our philosophy is to use right life principles in how we grow our businesses as well, because creation started that way. And if we are made at the image of our creators, we can also leverage something. And I love something that is said in Christianity, okay? And going back even in the Bible, 1,000 years ago, right, in Genesis. We are made at the image. So energy. Energy is then something that we have to utilize even in our business. And our model, based on what we call the PPP, principle, personal, and profit. Profit/professional, if you work in somewhere. So in your business, for profit, through value you bring into your community, the energy that you need to be able to attract your clients is through your marketing strategies. Marketing is the only way your prospects, your ideal clients, will be attracted to you. Just like these two fingers that I started get close to each other. Something is happening within those two fingers. Your organization have to reflect that, and it can only do that through marketing. And just for your information, if you want to learn some fundamentals, elements around marketing, we have put 2 books out there, but the 2 books can provide you with valuable information. One is on how you can dominate your competition. The other one is how to speak your customer language. And we'll talk more about them in our videos, because we'll refer back to them for you to just go take a peek. Look into examples that we did with many clients to see how it can help you. Energy. Energy in your business will come through marketing. See marketing as well. People out there having problems they don't want. They're fighting to get rid of and looking for solutions that you have. How will you attract them? How will you capture their attention on what you're providing as a business owner? Energy. You need to leverage on that energy to also grow your business. So again, if this is the first time you come on this channel, remember, just subscribe, and you will make sure that you'll be getting notification on videos that we will be producing and posting with the partnership of our friend Mark from Finish Works, that you can also look up online. Like and put your comment, because our goal is to build a community of sharing and receiving, which will be actually one principle that we'll talk about in our next video. So again, thank you for coming on the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the community to bring our awareness in the community of business ownership. So the PPP is our philosophy, principles. They've been there for years. Personal, how they reflect in our personal lives, and how we can profit or develop in our professional lives. And all the models that we use in business development with our clients is based on just one single A-sheet, say, which remind us, when you don't know where you're going, just look from where you came from, because you have everything within yourself to be able to get there. So until I see you in the next video, just remember that when you don't know where you're going, look back from where you came from. And today it was about energy. And in your business, that energy will come from your marketing. See you in the next video.